Welcome to Reviews Heaven, your ultimate guide to the best products out there. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best microwave ovens that combine power, style, and convenience to make your kitchen life easier. From compact designs for small spaces to advanced features like inverter technology and genius sensors, these microwaves are game changers. We'll explore their standout features, cooking capabilities, and why they're worth your attention. Whether you're reheating leftovers or preparing a quick meal, these microwaves have got you covered. And don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below for you to check out and shop with ease. Let's get started and find the perfect microwave for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Digital Microwave Oven. Looking for a microwave that's compact, stylish, and packed with features? Meet the BLACK+DECKER EM720CB7 Digital Microwave Oven. This 700-watt wonder is like a tiny chef that never complains about overtime. Its sleek, stainless steel design screams professional, but don't worry, it won't judge your instant noodle nights. The 6 pre-programmed buttons are a lifesaver. Want popcorn? Press a button. Pizza? Another button. It's like having a food genie. Minus the wish limit. Defrosting frozen meat or veggies is a breeze, too, with its time or wait defrost options. The LED display isn't just there to look pretty. It works as a clock, timer, and countdown assistant, so you'll always know when your meal's ready. And that 10-inch glass turntable? It's removable, making cleanup as easy as eating dessert first. Safety first. The child lock keeps curious little ones from turning your microwave into a science experiment. Compact yet mighty, this 0.7 cubic foot microwave fits small spaces without skimping on power. It's proof that good things really do come in small packages. Number 2. Comfee Countertop Microwave Oven. Say hello to the Comfee EM720CPL PMB Countertop Microwave Oven, a compact powerhouse designed for modern living. This 0.7 cubic foot, 700-watt marvel is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even your office snack station. Its sleek black finish adds a touch of elegance, but don't worry, it's not too fancy to handle a late-night pizza slice. This microwave knows how to keep things simple. One-touch buttons handle popcorn, pizza, and even frozen veggies with ease. It's like having a culinary assistant, minus the apron. With 11 power levels and defrost options by time or weight, your food always comes out just right. The LED display is more than just a pretty face. It's your clock, timer, and cooking tracker all in one. Feeling eco-conscious? The eco mode cuts standby power by 50%, so you can save energy while enjoying your favorite snacks. Here's the kicker. It has a mute button. No more waking the whole house for midnight cravings. And with a child safety lock, it keeps your little ones safe from accidental snack attacks. This microwave proves that great things really do come in small packages. Number 3. TOSHIBA Countertop Microwave Oven. Meet the TOSHIBA EM131A5C BS Countertop Microwave Oven, where style meets performance. With its 1.2 cubic foot capacity and 1,100 watts of power, this microwave is like a superhero for your kitchen. Its sleek, black stainless steel finish makes it look so good. You might just find yourself admiring it more than cooking with it. The magic lies in its sensor menu, which optimally heats favorites like pizza, potatoes, and veggies. No more guessing or stopping to check if your food is done. It's like having a personal chef who's always on point. Plus, with 10 power levels and the option to program 3 custom settings, it's got versatility covered. The large digital display isn't just practical, it's a multitasking genius. It tracks time, doubles as a clock, and ensures you never miss when your food's ready. And the 12.4-inch turntable? It's big enough for a whole pizza, because who wants just one slice? Need quiet? Long press 8 to mute those beeps, perfect for midnight snacks. Add in the eco mode for energy savings, and you've got a microwave that's as thoughtful as it is efficient. This TOSHIBA is proof that even kitchen appliances can be overachievers. Number 4. Farberware Countertop Microwave Oven. Say hello to the Farberware Countertop Microwave, a small yet mighty hero for tight spaces. With 700 watts of power and a 0.7 cubic foot capacity, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, or even that corner of your office where snacks magically disappear. Its retro black design? A stylish throwback that'll make your kitchen feel effortlessly cool. This microwave is built for speed and simplicity. Craving popcorn? Press a button. Got a leftover slice of pizza? Another button. It's like a fast food drive-thru without the car. With 10 power levels and defrost options by time or weight, it's ready for anything, from reheating last night's dinner to thawing frozen surprises. The LED display isn't just for looks. It's a multitasker. It's your clock, timer, and countdown buddy all in one. And the interior light? Perfect for sneak peeks at your food, because who doesn't love watching cheese melt? For added safety, there's a child lock to keep little hands away. Cleanup is a breeze, too, thanks to the easy-to-clean interior. Compact, reliable, and packed with features, this Farberware microwave proves that good things really do come in small packages. Number 5. Panasonic Countertop Microwave Oven. The Panasonic Microwave Oven SN686S is here to prove that microwaves can be both smart and stylish. With 1,200 watts of power and a spacious 1.2 cubic foot capacity, this stainless steel beauty doesn't just cook food, it does it with flair. Plus, its compact design means it fits neatly on your countertop without hogging all the space. The secret sauce? Panasonic's Inverter Technology, which keeps the cooking power steady for even results every time. No more biting into a frozen center or nibbling on overcooked edges. And with turbo defrost, you can thaw food faster than you can say, "What's for dinner?" Cooking is practically foolproof thanks to the Genius sensor. It detects steam levels and adjusts the power and cooking time automatically. With 14 preset menu options, you can tackle everything from pizza to pasta like a pro. Let's not forget the extras: a keep warm feature for soups and desserts, a child lock for safety, and a roomy 13.4-inch turntable for big dishes. This microwave doesn't just heat food, it's a chef's assistant in disguise. That wraps up our review of the top 5 best microwave ovens. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews here on Reviews Heaven.